A campaign kickoff, engineering change at URI. The school is pushing for a new engineering complex.
A yes vote on question 4 would fund a new engineering building at URI.
Voters will be asked to approve a $125 million bond referendum.
Now, if it passes, the money will go to upgrading URI's 60-year-old engineering facilities.
So this one building will take the place of those?
That's right. The 5 existing buildings will in fact be demolished. And then one integrated engineering building will be constructed that will house all of the faculty and programs of the College of Engineering.
This is where that new 195,000 square foot building will go. These buildings on the engineering campus were built in the 50s and 60s. The new building, you bet, will be state of the art.
It will have 21st century teaching spaces, laboratories and classrooms, and interactive spaces for the students to work on projects for companies. All those will be included in this new building.
The gymnasium at Torrey Plastics campus was transformed into a bond question launch party. And for good reason. The company is dumping $2 million into plans to rebuild University of Rhode Island's Engineering College.
The business is just one of many engineering companies right here in Rhode Island that say they would directly benefit from URI having a new facility.
We're a technology company, we're an engineering company. We need that kind of talent. So for us, this is a pipeline of future employees.
The area in which we are hiring the most is engineering. My commitment will be to work with these guys to hire URI people. I don't need to go anywhere else, not with a program like these guys have.
Rhode Island companies have said we need more engineers, we need more highly skilled workers.
When you're talking about how do you create jobs and how do you make it happen right here in Rhode Island, you're looking at what URI offers. You're looking at the engineering, the innovation, the ambitious, hungry, wanting to learn, wanting to go above and beyond with these kids that are here.
It is uncanny to me how many engineers graduate from that school and work in very high places.
It's a great benefit to our citizens. It's a cost-effective, best education in the country, and we have to stay competitive.
State leaders and school students we spoke with think this is a win-win.
Engineering contributes about $142 million into the state's economy each year. Now, the project would also create about 1,500 construction jobs over a 3-year period. Question 4 goes before the voters this November.
We've got a lot of work ahead of us. I think at the end of that line, this university is just going to be absolutely fantastic.
Thank you, Rhode Island, for voting yes on question 4. We are engineering Rhode Island's future.